Greetings from South Beach in Miami, Florida on the 2nd of January 2025. It is 9:15 a.m. and it has been now 2 hours since the sunrise, and I have been walking along the whole South Beach and even gotten to the South Point Pier. I took some nice pictures there from there. And now it's time for the second episode for today. And I realized that now I have only 1 hour and 45 minutes until checkout in the hotel, and 3 hours and 45 minutes until I need to go on board on the cruise to the Caribbean that I'm going now. So it will be a 10-day cruise. I will be back in Miami on the 11th, and I have a flight on the same day, but I will try to make at least one swim on the departure day towards Sweden. But enough about that. I'm here to enjoy. This is day 3 of my Miami exploration. I have actually celebrated the New Year's Eve on the beach just a few kilometers down below, or a few miles as they would like to say here in the US. On my Google Maps the distance is written in miles. I'm not sure why. Do they don't count here? Can Google not transfer to kilometers? Because I'm sure I have kilometers in my settings, at least in Sweden. But anyway, this is how the beach looks like. It is almost completely empty now on this point of the day. But to be fair, I think this is not so popular, not so crowded. This spot, I think further up it is a bit more crowded, as there are more hotels and accommodation towards the center of the Miami Beach city. And we have a nice sunny morning then, with 20 degrees in the Celsius right now. It's gonna be up to 25 later today, and 23 degrees in the Celsius, what I'm trying to say, because I don't do Fahrenheit. The AC in my room is in Fahrenheit, so it took me like 10 Google searches to adapt. It was freezing when I got there, and it was like 64. I was like, what, 64? It was super freezing, so I changed it up to heat to 74, which is around 24 degrees. Who would have put it in like 16 degrees Celsius? Why would people want that indoors? I mean, I can stand cold temperatures, but outside. Inside it's just a waste of money to have that cold temperature. Anyway, there it goes. South Beach, Miami, Florida, and let's get ready for the swim here. Right. All right, so the color of the water is probably the best around noon, from 12 until 2 p.m. where it has that turquoise color. Now it doesn't have that yet, because I have very nice pictures from here in 2019 when the color of the water was amazing. Even yesterday from my swim in the north part of Miami Beach, where I was doing some beach adventures yesterday. So yes, another swim today in Miami on my departure day towards the Caribbean islands. So I haven't done any Caribbean cruise, so I'm not sure what to expect, if I'm gonna love it or not. Meals are included and some soft drinks, I think, like iced tea. But I don't have the alcohol package, but I don't like alcohol also as well. So let's see how it's going to be. As I have gone down in weight a lot in Thailand, I'm now 69 kilos. I used to be 74. So hopefully I will gain some weight on the cruise, those that I have lost in Thailand. So ready, set, go into the sea. I just love being underwater. It is amazing. Maybe I need to turn on my American accent. To be fair, I think I have already American accent. I don't usually do the British accent, as I think that the American accent is better to hear than the British English. Sorry, my British mates, but it feels like more natural when you have grown up with MTV and the American culture and the American movies. For me, it feels a lot easier to speak in American English than British English. To be fair. So yeah, that's America. Some of the states have very rough accents actually in the US, like Texas and the mid states. But yeah, greetings to all my American subscribers and viewers, because I know I have a lot of viewers from the United States, and I hope you are feeling happy now that I'm visiting the United States and doing the first beach adventures on my YouTube channel, despite being 2 times already in the US before. It's my 3rd time in the US. And let's see, I want to visit the West Coast sometime soon, Los Angeles more specifically, since I was on the West Coast in Oregon in 2016. It was amazing, the ocean over there, the Pacific Ocean. So yeah, that is a wrap from South Beach on the 2nd of January, and this is what you get if you come here this time of the year. Super sunny and nice beach weather to enjoy and skip the European winter that is ongoing right now. Thanks a lot, greetings from America, the United States of America, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Adventures with Chris!